Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide apps on an iPhone. So you do need to have the new iOS 18 update in order to do this. So once you've downloaded that, if you then go to the app that you're wanting to hide, so I'm just going to hide Canva. So if you just hold it down, and then if you say require Face ID, you've then got the option to require Face ID or hide and require Face ID. So if you hide and require Face ID, then as you can see, that app has now been hidden. So even if you then try to search for it, so if we swipe right and we do in our app library, if we search for it, it hasn't come up. So in order to find it again, what you want to do is scroll right down to the bottom, and as you can see there, you have got your hidden apps. So if you press on that, it does your Face ID for you, and then there is Canva appeared there, and then you can open it with your Face ID. And there you go. That is how to hide apps on an iPhone. So just remember that you do need the new iOS 18 in order to do it. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really hoped it helped you out, and I'll catch you in the next one.